Hello everyone, I am Chandrika Saxena from Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute in Technology and Management. Today's my topic is addressing modes of 8086. The 8086 addressing modes depends on the instruction. Instruction have two parts. One is operand and another is opcode. So this addressing modes indicates the way of locating data or operand depending on the data type used in the instruction. And we can also define as the addressing mode describe the type of operand and the way they are accessed for the execution and instruction according to the flow of instruction execution. The instruction may be categorized as sequence, control flow instruction and control transfer instruction. Any instruction may be belong to one or more addressing mode or some instruction may not belong to any other addressing modes. Sequence control flow instructions are the instruction which after execution transfer the control to the next instruction appearing immediately after it, or we can say that they transfer the control to the next instruction. They can transfer the control in sequence in a program. For example, arithmetical, logical, data transfer and control and process control instruction are the sequence control flow instructions. Control transfer instruction transfer the control to some predefined address or specific address which is defined in instruction after their execution. For example, INT, call, INTR and jump instructions. Addressing modes are basically 8086 have 9 addressing modes. First is immediate addressing mode. In this type of addressing mode, immediate data is a part of the instruction and appear in the form of successive bytes. For example, move AX, 000H. Here 0005 is the immediate data which is appear in instruction. In this instruction, this 0005 data move in AX. Next is direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the 16-bit memory address which is offset address is specified in the instruction. For example, move AX, bracket 5000H. Here 5000 is a offset address of memory location. Default, we consider DX as a data segment register. So in this addressing mode, we want to calculate the effective address with the help of segment register contained and this offset address which is defined in instruction. So the physical address is segment address multiplied by 10H plus this specified offset address 5000H. Next is register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data is stored in register and it is referred using a particular register. All the register except IP may be used in this addressing mode. For example, move BX, AX. Here, BX and AX are the operand and the content of AX move in BX. Register indirect addressing mode. Sometimes the address of the memory location Sometimes the address of memory location which is contained of data or operand is determined in the indirect way using the offset register. The mode of addressing is known as register indirect. In this addressing mode, the offset address of data is in either BX, SI or DI register. The default segment is either DS or ES. For example, move AX, comma, bracket BX. Here, BX is a source offset address and AX is a destination register. In this instruction, we calculate the physical address using the segment register either DS or ES, and the offset address is a content of BX register. Index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, offset of the operand is stored one of the index register. DX and EX are the default segment, or index register are SI and DI respectively. For example, move AX, comma, brackets SI. Here, data is available at the offset address stored in SI in DS. We want to calculate the physical address using DS multiplied by 10H plus content of SI. Next is register relative addressing mode. In this addressing mode, data is available at the effective address formed by the adding the content of 8-bit or 16-bit displacement with the content of any of register BX, BP, SI and DI in a default segment register DS and ES. For example, move AX, 50H BX. Here 50 is a 8-bit displacement and content of BX register is a offset address of particular segment register, maybe DS or EX. Next is base index addressing mode. Base index addressing mode. In this addressing mode, effective address of data is formed by adding the content of base register, maybe BX or BP, to the content of index register SI or DI with default segment register DS or ES. For example, move AX, bracket BX, bracket SI. Here, BX and SI both are the offset address of source data. We can calculate the physical address with the help of segment registers, relative base index addressing mode. The effective address is formed by adding 8-bit or 16-bit displacement with the sum of content of any base register BX or BP and any of index register with the default segment. For example, move AX, 50H BX and SI. Here 50H is a 8-bit displacement and BX is a base register and SI is a index register. With the help of these two offset address, we calculate the 20-bit physical address, which is DX multiplied by 10H plus content of BX plus content of SI plus 50H, which is the displacement. For control transfer instruction, the addressing modes depend on whether the destination location is within the same segment or a different one. It is also depend on the method to passing the destination address to the processor. Basically, there are two type of addressing modes for control transfer instruction: inter-segment and intra-segment addressing. If the location to which control to be transferred lie in the different segment other than the current one, the mode is called inter-segment addressing mode. If the destination location lie in the same segment, the mode is called intra-segment addressing mode. These addressing mode further divided in two parts: intersegment direct and intersegment indirect, and intrasegment direct and intersegment indirect. Intersegment direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, address to which control is to be transferred is in a different segment. This addressing mode provide a means This addressing mode provides a means of branching from one code segment to another code segment. Here, CS and IP of destination address is specified directly in the instruction. For example, jump 5000H, 2000H. Here, 5000 is a segment address and 2000 is a offset address of destination location. Next is inter-segment indirect addressing mode. In this addressing mode, address to which control is to be transferred lie in different segment and it is passed through the instruction indirectly. The content of memory block containing the 4 byte, that is IP-LSB, IP-MSB, CS-LSB and CS-MSB sequentially. The starting address of memory block may be referred using the any of addressing mode except immediate addressing mode. For example, jump brackets 2000H. For example, jump 2000H. Jump to the address in the other segment specified and effective address 2000H in the DS segment. Next is intra-segment direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, address to which control to be transferred lie in the same segment and appear directly in the instruction as a immediate displacement value. In this addressing mode, displacement is calculated relative to the content of instruction pointer. For example, jump short label. The short label indicates the 8-bit displacement. Next is intra-segment indirect addressing mode. In this addressing mode, displacement to which control is to be transferred is in same segment in which current one, but it is passed through the instruction indirectly. Here, the branch address is found as the content of register or memory location. For example, jump bracket BX. Content of BX is an offset address to which control is transferred. Thank you.